Today we'll try to explore one more new topic, and this is related to the VBA. So now the concept is I want to copy the particular cell or particular range. So we'll try to explore VBA coding, how we can do that. So let me go to this, and I'm deleting this some data instead. Subject, copy, cell or range. Okay, first of all, we'll go with the how to copy the particular cell. Okay, this workbook dot sheets of sheet one dot range of A1 double quotes dot copy. So when I try to run this, so it will copy this particular cell. Okay, similar way, I want to paste. So if you want to paste this workbook dot sheets of sheet one dot range of where you want to paste. So for example, I want to paste at a D1 cell. So you can just add this paste special. So now when I run this, so it will copy that particular cell and paste into there. So now you can see this, no? So how we can copy this particular name and you can edit. Now if you want to copy this particular range, for example, so for that what you want to know, so you need to select that range. For example, I want to copy from the range from A1 is to A10. Okay, sorry, not B10. So I will copy and where I want to paste, I want to give this paste value. So as of now, just assume that I want to paste a special at D1 cell itself. When I run this, so I'm executing. So you can see this range has selected. Okay, now it pasted. Okay, here the problem is, for example, if I go tomorrow, so here I will get some another like row is added. So now when I try to copy this, so it's copied only the particular range only. So my range is got changed. I don't know how many rows will come, but columns are stand this case. So that time I don't know how I can find this last row. So for that, what we want to do now? So just execute that and I will remove this data. So here can find the help of last row. So just click declare one variable last row equals to this workbook dot sheets of sheet one dot range of A and rows dot count dot end of Excel up dot. So this is a syntax how we can find this last row. So let me run this and you can see this last row here is 11. Okay, it's include, I mean, here the index will starts from 1 and row index and column index also starts from 1. So 1 by 1. Okay, so let me update one more query here. So here let me copy the same thing. And now we got to know. So what is the last row? Okay. So my range starts from A1, it's a standard, and B10 or B11 or B12, I don't know exactly. So that time what I will do is I will just remove this and I will update here last row. So let me update this last row and the same as it is. So I will do the same copy paste special here and rerunning this executing the part. So now you can see this, it's copy this entire the range. Okay, this is the one method. And for example, if you don't want to find the rows, so there is one more method. So here just copy this. So you remove this entire the thing, just update user range dot copy. Just take this paste method. So now if you run this, so it will copy this entire the user range. User range. So for example, if I give some data here, then it will copy that data as well. We copied and pasted. So now it will paste a D1 and then it remove because it's changed. So this is a way, another method how we can copy this. So my better suggestion is go with this last row. Sometimes what happen, you want to copy the only the specific columns. So I have the 10 columns. Out of the 10 columns, I can need copy only the 7 columns. I don't want the rest of the things. For example, A1 is to J is there. So I want to copy till F or C, G. So that time it won't work, use range. So that time you can go with this method. And here only I can show you one more method. So already I declared this variable. Instead of this declaring variable, if you feel like that, so just remove this variable and paste it. So this also it will work the same thing. So I'm executing again. So you can see this. So it got executed, the same thing. So why I'm avoiding the variables now? Sometimes if it is a big code, I mean big things, so you can go with the variable declaration. Just assume that I have the only the small snippet of code that time it's declaring the variable is unnecessary, which I feel. Then we can go with this method. Okay. So this is a way how we can copy the data and pasting in the same sheet. So further going, we can discuss more and more. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.